Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we'll make a very tasty and healthy chia pudding. Chia is very popular these days and we get chia everywhere. Chia looks like sesame seeds but is very silky, small and very silky. When it is soaked in a liquid, it fluffs up very well. Chia is supposed to be from the mint family. The leaves are like mint leaves and they have purple color flowers. I have taken 1 cup of coconut milk, store-bought coconut milk. For quarter cup of chia seeds, I have taken 1 cup of coconut milk. The store-bought coconut milk is thick, so I have added quarter cup of water to it. You can add about 4 to 5 times the amount of chia of liquid. Carefully, slowly mix the chia in the coconut milk. When you make the pudding in coconut milk, it will be very tasty. So mix it well until all the seeds are mixed well in the coconut milk. It's very tasty. It has a lot of fiber in it, so it's really good for health. Anyone can eat it. It's easily digestible and very tasty also. It's easy to make and good for health. Mix it well. This has to be kept in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, it will fluff up like this. I have taken 2 tablespoons of sugar and added about 4 tablespoons of milk. You can add milk or coconut milk and dissolve the sugar in the milk and add it to the chia pudding. Mix well. If you do not use sugar or if you are diabetic, you can use sugar free. I use stevia powder because it's good. So if you are using stevia or sugar free powder, take the spoon that is given in the sugar free, add about 1.5 teaspoons of the sugar free powder. It will mix well because it's a powder. Add it directly to the pudding and mix it well. I have also added about 3 to 4 drops of this Winovin essence. It gives a dark pink color to the pudding and it has raspberry flavor, so the pudding will taste really very good. Now mix the essence and sugar well. It will be fluffy like this. So once everything is mixed, we can start arranging the fruits. I have cut bananas into roundels and I have arranged bananas at the bottom of a glass or bowl, anything you like, and on top of it add 2 to 3 spoons of pudding. I have also added mangoes. You can add any seasonal fruit to it. You can use chiku, pineapple, muskmelon or any soft sweet fruits to it, which will taste really very well, and you can decorate it as you like. But when we arrange in layers, the pudding with the different types of fruits will be very tasty. So arrange the mango. I have arranged the mangoes and added more pudding on top of it. And now I have taken green grapes. I have cut them into halves. It's just for decoration. I am decorating, keeping the grapes in the corners of the glass so that it will look very attractive. You can use green grapes, black grapes, anything. And I have also added strawberries. You can add strawberries. You can use any other fruit which are very colorful. You can also add cherries to it. The children will like this pudding very much, and it's easily digestible and it is filling. It has a lot of fiber, so it is very good for health. This can be taken for breakfast. This can be taken as a dessert, at any time. It is easy to make. It only needs, the chia only has to be soaked in the milk for about 4 to 5 hours. Otherwise, you have cut fruits. It's a minute to make this pudding. It's a great tasting pudding. So I'm sure all of you will make this pudding, enjoy, and comment without fail. I have taken kiwi, bananas, green grapes, black grapes. I have also taken about 50 ml of whipping cream. So whipping cream can be beaten with a fork, or if you have electric beater, you may beat with it to stiff peaks. Add about half a teaspoon of powdered sugar and make a stiff peak out of it, which will make the pudding really very tasty and very rich. I have arranged the bananas like this in this glass, another glass, added the pudding in it. I have not added any essence to it. Arrange as the layers and add the cream on top, and I have also added green grapes and black grapes to it. I have added roasted walnuts and pistachios and almonds. But walnuts are a great combination for this pudding. It's very tasty and very good for health. I'm sure everyone are going to like it and comment about it. If you are watching my video for the first time, subscribe, press the bell icon and choose the all option, and you will get notification for all the videos that I post. I'm sure everyone are going to subscribe and watch my videos and make the tasty recipes and comment without fail. Let's meet in the next video.